look at where I'm at right now, guys. It's hard to see, but I am literally on the United States-Canada border. I'm all the way up in Maine right now. Absolutely beautiful up here, guys. It is freezing though. Thank God this truck has good heat. It is 44 degrees outside right now in this crispy cool, like crispy cool climate here. You can see I'm at some random like dirt pull off and stuff, but I'm just getting ready to do my pre-trip real quick, and then I got to get rolling. Maine is like nowhere else I've been before. Until you've been here and until you've experienced like how it feels to be up here, it's just so different than any other place that I've been to. It's peaceful, it's scenic, it's majestic, it's nature's finest. Like, you need to come up here. Like, I literally had some time yesterday to go out in town and just roam around when I was bobtailing, and dude, it's like my mood is just, it's like this euphoric feel when I'm up here in Maine. So I've been requested to like keep making trucking videos, so I'm just gonna make some good trucking videos. So for breakfast, guys, I don't really have time to, and I don't really want to break out all this stuff because I've been cooking all week. So applesauce, V8, low sodium, and little fruit snacks like these fruit rolls. Hard to see, but I was able to shower yesterday, guys, so I'm pretty clean. I can push 3 days, but like 3 days is kind of like, dude, like you start feeling like kind of like, you know what I mean, you feel grimy and shit. Sometimes it's hard with this job. You know, you get in trucking and it's definitely a tough job, but you get used to it. You build your schedule up. Picked up one of these. I have yet to use it, so interested to try that out probably next week. Good old banana. Let's do a little I always try to like, I always do a pre-trip, guys. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, because I mean, you never know what can go wrong. And just don't be lazy, dude. Just get out of the truck and get your stuff done, because I mean, you could have something as a hose blown or whatnot, and you'll never know till you get out and look. So I literally just checked through real quick. You know, my pipe's intact, my turbo looks good, there's no black soot, there's no loose fasteners or anything. Radiator hose, my belts, there's no cracks on them. So I kind of just go through, you know, check the frame, check my suspension, leafs, everything looks decent, you know, kick some tires. She looks mint. Look at how clean those rims are too. Cleanest this truck's ever been out of the 30K miles that I put on already, I think, somewhere around there.
Most important, turn indicators. Always make sure that those things are working, guys, because those are your, like, basically your indication on what you're doing with this huge vehicle. It's good. Mud flaps, good. Rear's looking pretty good.
Shout out Roehl. Let's go. If you guys are interested in joining Roehl, I will leave the link in the description, guys. I really appreciate it. I do get a little bit of compensation on referrals. I'll show you what I'm hauling right now real quick. I don't want to make this video too long, but check it out. Bam! What is that? That's like tissue paper, dude. I have like 6 of those things in here right now. Always check your release lever, your 5th wheel release arm, because you're going to ensure that that's locked into the 5th wheel kingpin. Air's good. Not gonna lie, guys, sometimes you just have to go to the bathroom, and I had to do that this morning, but I've done it before. So like when I was younger, you know, I used to, you know, pee outside all the time, or occasionally take a dump. Dude, when you gotta poo in the woods sometimes, guys, it's nice, especially if you're in a nice area like As crazy as it sounds, this is the most peaceful poo you'll ever take. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, there's a nice log truck right there, dude. Look at that thing. Hell yeah, that thing's clean. What's up, buddy? See, I want to get into that eventually. Like, part of me wants to get into that, I think. I might have to slide my tandems this morning, but I think for right now I'm gonna leave them the way they are. But let's catch some scenic views, guys. Yesterday I was driving here and I wish I was recording, but I wasn't, so. Listen to that turbo spool, dude. Alright guys, I'm about to slide my tandems real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna go all the way. I'm gonna just go all the way forward, because all the way is literally, there's one barrel back here, there's one roll back here, but there's literally like 5 going all the way back towards my my drives. I'm gonna be making an honest video, on like how trucking really is. Being in this thing all day, and like it's like being in an office and you have to have like spare time to be outdoors, literally. Because if I'm not in sunlight, I'm not happy. So yeah, Maine is sick, guys. Be sure to like this video, drop your comments down below, and subscribe to see more car and truck content.